Let's configure the Gmail with Outlook in 2007. So first open the browser, write here Gmail, enter, open the first link, click on sign in, write here your Gmail ID, click on next, enter the password, enter. So I think due to the slow internet connection, it's taking a long time. So just click on setting, see all settings, go to forward and pop up, click on enable pop for all mail and then save it. And then click on logo and then manage your Google account. Go to security, drop down, drop down. Here you can see less secure app access. Click on turn on access and then allow less secure app on. So now you can access your Gmail account from the Outlook or any other app. Let's reload it. Yes. And then open your Outlook, go to tools, account settings, click on new, next, manually configure server, next, internet email, next, write the name here of the Gmail account, all, detail, write your mail ID here, and here in the pop incoming mail server write pop.gmail.com and outgoing mail server type smtp.gmail.com and here is the password and then click more settings, outgoing server, click on my outgoing server smtp, click here, this server required an encrypted connection SSL, the port will be 465 and TLS, okay, and then click on test account setting. There is a problem with the send SMTP project. No problem, we will solve it. Then go to advanced, click on SSL, okay, and then test it. Okay, Yes, it's complete. Close, then next, and finish. And close. Now, to verify your account which is configured or not, click on Tools again, go to Account Setting, and then drop down. Yes, all detail is here. Yes, it is now configured. So now you can send mail and receive here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.